Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to insert and use equations in Google Docs. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to select insert tab and select equation, and in here you can able to see the new equation over here: geek letters and meticulous operations, relations, math operations and arrows. You can select one of these, drop down and select it by your preferences. You can type using that. The same way, click on new equation and click on the drop down and select the equation you want it, and you can type it like this followed by this equation. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.